Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a warm and cozy show for you today. We're making a pumpkin spice latte. I don't know about you, but I just love the fall. Halloween, Thanksgiving, the coming holidays. There's something about that cool weather that just makes me want to hibernate. So how do I stay in and still get my pumpkin spice latte? Make it at home. But how? That's easy. You bring it. So what you're gonna need is whipped cream topping, milk, instant espresso, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, sugar, and pumpkin pie spice, which is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. You'll also need a pot, glass measuring cup, and a whisk. Now, I'm not one for sleeping in. Usually if I do, it's 7:45 a.m. and I'm wide awake. See, it's all because of my dad. He had this phrase, when your eyes open, your feet hit the deck, son. Yeah, this is great. It has been instilled in me that no matter what time that my eyes open, I've got to get up and be productive. Even so, even though I'm up and at 'em, the last thing I want to do is have to jump in the car, go fight traffic to stand in some long line for some overpriced coffee drink when I can make an amazing coffee at home for a fraction of the cost and save some time to boot. Now this one gets started with our pumpkin pie spice mix. Now you can buy this at the grocery store, just look for pumpkin pie spice mix, but I like to just make it at home using some of the stuff I've already got, like cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. I'm just gonna scrape this into our little mixing bowl here, and then we'll give it a mix until it is thoroughly combined. Now that we've got our spice mix, all we have to do is combine our ingredients, starting with our milk. Now I'm using regular whole milk, but you can use 2%, you can use almond milk, cashew milk, whatever type that you like. To that, we're gonna add our pumpkin puree. Now you can get this in the can at the grocery store, very inexpensive. Add that to our milk. Then I'm gonna sweeten it with some sugar. You can use a sugar substitute if you prefer. And then I'm gonna add some vanilla extract and finish it off with some of our homemade pumpkin spice mix. We'll mix this up until it's thoroughly combined, and then we can head back to the stove and place it over medium heat. We'll whisk it up just a little bit. We'll just bring this up until it starts steaming. In the meantime, we can make our coffee. Now, you can use whatever type of coffee that you like, your traditional stuff that you use every day. That works great. I love espresso, but I don't have a fancy espresso maker. No problem. I actually buy this instant espresso, which it's different than instant coffee. It's actually instant espresso. It gives you a nice, bold, rich flavor. Works great in this drink. To make it, we're gonna have to heat up some water. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Now our water is nice and hot. Usually I'll put a couple of scoops of the espresso in my cup and pour the water in, but I wanna show you this. Put the espresso in here and give it a little bit of a stir. And as you can see, it's a really nice dark color and it gives you some of that crema right on top. I'm telling you, it works really well for this recipe. I'll pour that into our coffee mug, and then we're gonna head back to the stove, check on our steamed milk. Oh, that's coming along nicely. Now a latte is just espresso and steamed milk. So we just wanna bring the milk up to temperature. As you can see, it's starting to steam now. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's plate it up. So we're just gonna finish it off by pouring our steamed milk into our espresso and top it with some whipped cream. Sprinkle some of this extra pumpkin pie spice right on top. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci, reminding you that if I can make a pumpkin spice latte in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Everything about this time of year makes me want to hibernate, hit pans, and stay at home. Make it at home. But how? You bring it.